Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. You know we're still giving away the Buzz Cooks embroidered kitchen towel. You still got time to win. All you gotta do is like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. At the end of every video, we'll randomly pick somebody from the comment section and we'll send it out to you. So the holidays are here. You got Christmas, New Year's, Super Bowl coming up. I'm gonna make two great appetizers for the holidays. One is a cheesy sausage ball. The other is a shrimp dip. All right, we're doing it next. Two awesome appetizers that you can use for any party. Stick around, we're doing it next. All right, let's get started. Number one, the shrimp dip. Amazing. Everybody's gonna love this shrimp dip. It is so delicious. Great for any holiday occasion, any party, get together, the big game, you name it, make the shrimp dip. What we're gonna need is 2 small cans of tiny shrimp. They come in either 6 or 8 ounce. It doesn't really matter, but 2 cans. Put them into your little strainer there, and let's wash them. And just take a quick peek for any shells that might have gotten through the system. If you see any, pull them out. Other than that, just put them in a bowl and set those aside until we need them in a little bit. Now, if you have a little tool like this is a KitchenAid food processor. We're gonna chop up half of a white onion or yellow onion, depending what you have. But you want it done, chopped up very fine. So if you don't have this guy, you're gonna have to get your chef's knife out and chop, chop, chop till very fine onion. And we're gonna take it and put it into a large mixing bowl. And while I'm doing that, if I could remind you to please like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment and get a shot at the Buzz Cooks kitchen towel. Next, we're going to go with 1 large heaping tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Then we're going to go with 3 heaping tablespoons of mayonnaise. And 3 heaping tablespoons of whipped cream cheese. If you can't find the whipped cream cheese, just make sure you let it sit out for a little while so it gets nice and soft. Makes it easier to mix up. And once we have the cream cheese in, the last is an option, but I would at least put 1 dash in, even if you don't like spice. I like spice, so I'm going to put a lot of dashes in, but it's up to you and your people on what they like. So you can experiment, but I like to load it up. And that's the green Tabasco sauce. And then we're gonna add our shrimp. And we're gonna mix and fold this up real good. And once it's mixed up real good, we're gonna transfer it to our party dip bowl and toss it in the refrigerator overnight. You wanna definitely make this the day ahead of time. Give all these flavors time to coagulate together, and it really makes a great dip. And I usually serve it with either Ritz crackers or those Stacy pita chips. Those also are great to serve with this dip. So we're gonna fill up our dipping bowl, and like I said, put it in the fridge overnight, and you are good to go on appetizer number 1. So let's move on to appetizer number 2, which is the sausage cheese bowls. Sausage cheese balls. There we go. I have not been hitting the eggnog yet. All right, so for this, we're gonna need another large mixing bowl and one package of Jimmy Dean breakfast sausage. I believe it's 1 pound. You can use any flavor you like, mild, maple, or hot. I'm gonna go with the hot because I like spicy, but it's not too spicy, so don't worry about it. Next, we're gonna add one 8-ounce package of shredded cheddar cheese. And we're gonna mix that up real good. And lastly, we're gonna add 1 cup of pancake mix. You heard that right. 1 cup of pancake mix. And I find it's best to get in there with your hand to mix it up and get it all incorporated nice and tight. So once we get this completely mixed in good, I bought the toss away cupcake trays. But if you have regular cupcake trays, that's good. I just hit it with a little Pam. Then we're going to use our tablespoon to try to make all the balls close to the same size. So we'll just scoop out some meat, roll it in our hands, make a nice little meatball there, and toss it into these trays. And once we have all the trays filled up, we're going to go with 350. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. And I believe I got 3 trays of these little sausage cheese balls, appetizers, out of this recipe. So that was pretty good. So we'll pop these into the oven, 350 for 35 minutes. And just leave them alone. And come back 35 minutes later. And they're ready to pull out of the cupcake racks, stick a toothpick in them, and serve them up. So you have 2 delicious, easy to make appetizers for your upcoming holidays, parties, big game, whatever's coming on. Anyways, thanks for watching. Remember to leave a comment to try to win that towel, and we'll see you on the next one.